Hey Glam dolls, I told you I'll be back to share with you all my artificial nails picked from my local drugstores. Now the reason why I'm saying drugstores because I brought these nails all over, you know, like from Walmart, CVS, Rite Aid, beauty supply stores, etc, etc. Oh, and if you happen to be a newbie passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm all for being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So with that being said, the nails I'm sharing with you all is from various local drugstores, and they're all by Kiss. First one's up out the box. Now this is part of the Kiss collection. These are black and gold, which looks like this right here. I'm loving the black and gold designs that Kiss has been releasing a lot lately, so I snatched up those, and these were in a medium length, so that was a no-brainer. Here is another black pair. Now this is part of their limited edition, so if you happen to see these, please make sure you snatch them up, and snatch up probably more than one box, but because these glow in the dark. They glow in the dark, so they're worth getting. Snatch that one up. Now this part is part of these nails coming up is part of their Glam fantasy collection, and like I said, my name is Glam, so anything with the word glam in it, you know I'm all over it, and I couldn't leave these behind. I'm such a neutral girl at heart. If you are an official Glam doll to this channel, and when I say official, which means you are a subscribed Glam doll, you know I'm a sucker for neutrals, so no brainer. I snatched up these right here. They in a fabulous neutral color, and I'm loving the accent nail, which looks like a glittered nail that comes with it. I got that right there. Yeah, I can't wait to wear these. These nails I'm about to show you is part of their newly released, okay, Jelly Fantasy Collection. I know, jelly nails, like what is that? You want to know what it is? A neutral pink. Look at these right here. These are like a gorgeous neutral pink design. No way could I have left these behind. I'm absolutely loving the faux diamonds that is attached onto the accent nails, and I feel they are super cute, and they are so much in trend because like people in general who wear artificial nails is getting these kind of designs, and they're paying that high salon price, but you can get that high salon look without the high salon cost with these right here. So I'm just saying. And the last few nails that I have to share with you all is part of their newly released Empress Couture Collection. Let me show these to you. Now you're getting 30 nails and 12 accent nails, and look at that design right there. Look at that design right there. They're clear, and guess what? No glue is needed because they already come with the glue tabs. All right, pre-glue tabs already added to them. All you gotta do is take these out the pack, pop them on your hand, and you are good to go. Again, you can't go wrong with black, okay? You can't go wrong with black. There's no wrong way of going with black nails. That's why I snatched up this design right here. And the last pair, and then this concludes my video. The last pair I have to share with you is, of course, a neutral design. I mean, come on. There was no other way. There was just no other way. Who don't love a good neutral nail? I do. So on that note, dolls, these are all the nails that I picked up. Like I said, from my local drugstores and beauty supply stores for that matter. And if you happen to be a Glam doll that's interested in saving money by doing your nails yourself, and you want that salon look without the salon cost, then you need to get into your local beauty supply stores and drugstores and start picking up some of the artificial nails that be in there. It could be Kiss, or it could be any other brand for that matter. So on that note, dolls, this concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will list the designs of everyone that I've shown you down in the comment section below, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.